Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to open a Capital One checking account. Let's get straight into the video. You can do that through online application. All you got to do is to visit the Capital One website and then click on checking at the top of the page, and then you want to select the type of checking account that you want to open. That could be 360 checking, it could be money market checking or whatever, and then just click the open account button to start the online application process. Now you're gonna need to provide your personal information, including your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. And then after that, you're going to need to fund your account with an initial deposit, which could be done via transfer from another bank account or by mailing a check. And then just review your application and then submit it for review. Now for the mobile application, what you want to do is to download the Capital One mobile app if you don't have that already, and then open the app and then click open accounts to start the application process. And then just follow the prompts to provide personal information, and then you need to fund your accounts and review and submit the application for further processing. Now for in-person application, all you gotta do is just find a Capital One branch near you and just visit in person, and then speak with a banker to start the application process. Of course, you got to provide the required documents, including identification and proof of address, and then just fund your account with an initial deposit, and the rest is going to be taken care of for you. Now the required documents, you're going to need driver's license, state identification card, or passport. For proof of address, you can use your utility bill, lease agreement, or bank statement. And then you also, don't forget, you're going to need your social security number. Or you could also use your individual taxpayer identification number. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.